Now coming to the topic, pipes and cisterns. In pipes and cisterns, what are the questions will be? He will say that one pipe is an inlet pipe, first inlet pipe, the other one is second inlet pipe. This fills in, let us say, x1 minutes or t1 minutes, this fills in t2 minutes. If together they fill the tank, they'll take in how much time? They fill the tank in how much time? This is one kind of model you'll get. The second model will be one pipe can be inlet, the other pipe can be outlet. So this will fill the tank in t1 minutes, this can be filled the tank in t2 minutes. Then the tank will be filled in how many minutes? Likewise, they may give another model, two inlet pipes and one outlet pipe. So these two are inlet pipes. This will fill in t1 minutes and this will in t2 minutes, this will in t3 minutes. If all three pipes operated simultaneously, the tank will be filled in how many minutes? These kind of questions will be given. This is a similar to concept of time and work. This is a similar concept of time and work. Okay, we will see this. By doing the problems, you will understand better. First one. Two taps A and B can fill a tank in 10 hours and 15 hours respectively. If both the taps are open together, the tank will be full in how many hours? Simple. How many pipes are there? Two pipes. Pipe A can fill the tank in 10 hours and pipe B can fill the tank in 15 hours. If both the pipes operate simultaneously, in how much time the tank will be filled? This is the question we had to solve. Okay. Now, as we don't know the capacity of the tank, assume the tank capacity be LCM of the given numbers, which is 30. Assume the tank capacity be 30 liters. Okay. Now, listen carefully. A will fill 30 liters in 10 hours. A fill 30 liters in 10 hours. It means in 1 hour A will fill how many liters? 3 liters. In 1 hour A will fill 3 liters. Similarly, to fill 30 liters, B is taking 15 hours. B is filling 30 liters in 15 hours. So in 1 hour B will fill how many liters? 2 liters. A is filling 3 liter per hour and B is filling 2 liter per hour. See here, A is filling 3 liter per hour and B is filling 2 liter per hour. Together they fill how many liters per hour? 5 liters per hour. Together they fill 5 liters per hour because both are inlet pipes. Now what is the tank capacity? 30 liters. So 30 liters per hour they are filling 5 liters. So the total time taken will be 6 hours. Nothing but total work by work done per day. Total capacity by capacity filled per hour, per time. Okay, per unit of time. Okay. Now the answer is 6 hours. The answer is option 2. See here, a tap can empty a tank in 1 hour. A second tap can empty it in 30 minutes. If both the taps operated simultaneously, how much time is needed to empty the tank? See, logical way, both are outlet pipes because empty. This is taking 1 hour to empty and the other one is taking 30 minutes to empty. Okay. Now, if this pipe alone works, it can empty the tank in 30 minutes. If we take the help of another pipe which is also emptying, the total tank can be emptied in less than 30 minutes. Don't solve this question. Less than 30 minutes. Simple. My answer must be less than 30. What are the options more than 30? You can straight away rule out. So the answer is option 1 because there is only one option which is 20 minutes. Okay. So this is how we have to solve in the exam. A cistern can be filled with water by a pipe in 5 hours and it can be emptied by a second pipe in 4 hours. If both the pipes are opened when the cistern is full, the time in which it will be emptied. See here what is given. This is a tank. One can fill the tank in 5 hours. An empty tank can be filled in 5 hours. The second one can empty the tank in how many hours? 4 hours. this can fill an empty tank in 5 hours. The other pipe can empty a tank in 4 hours. One is in inlet, the other one is outlet. How to solve these kind of questions? As we don't know the capacity of the tank, assume the capacity of the tank be LCM of 5 and 4, which is 20 units or 20 liters, whatever it may be. Assume the tank capacity be 20 units. Now first pipe is a filling pipe, so it will fill how many units per hour? Per hour. So 20 by 5, which is equals to 4 units per hour. First pipe can fill at the rate of 4 units per hour, because it takes 5 hours to fill the tank. It means the tank capacity is 20, so per hour it will fill 20 by 5, which is 4 units per hour. Whereas second one is an emptying pipe. To empty the pipe, it is taking 4 hours. In 4 hours it can empty 20 liters. It can empty 20 liters. In 1 hour it can empty how many liters? 20 by 4, which is equals to 5 units per hour. Units, okay. Now 5 units per hour. As it is an emptying pipe, put minus 5. What is the net filling rate per hour? First one is filling pipe, so 4 units. The other one is emptying at the rate of 5. So what is the net filling rate? Minus 1. It means per every hour the tank is reduced by 1 unit if both the pipes operated simultaneously. See here, both the pipes are opened. So what is the net filling rate? 1 unit, minus 1 unit. For every hour it is reduced by minus 1. So to reduce 20 units, it will take how many hours? 20 hours, because it is emptying at the rate of 1. So to empty 20 units, it will take 20 hours. See here, two pipes A and B can separately fill a cistern in 60 minutes and 75 minutes respectively. One is 60, the other one is 75. There is a third pipe in the bottom of the cistern to empty it. If all the 3 pipes are simultaneously opened, then that cistern is full in 50 minutes. In how much time the third pipe alone can empty the cistern? See here, we don't know the tank capacity. Let the tank capacity be. Tank capacity B. What are the numbers here? 60, 75, 50. Take the LCM of 60, 75, 50, which is equals to 300 units. Assume the tank capacity be 300 units. How many pipes are there? 3 pipes. First one is filling. If it alone works, it can fill it in 60 minutes. If second pipe alone works, it can fill the tank in 75 minutes. So third one is taking some t minutes. We don't know how much time it will take. But if 3 pipes are operated simultaneously, the tank will be filled in 50 minutes. This is what is given. Now see here, first pipe takes 60 minutes to fill 300 units. Okay, this is filling plus. Okay, so per minute it will fill how many units? 5 units per minute. The second one similarly, it is taking 75 minutes to fill 300 units. So per minute 300 by 75, which is nothing but 4 units per minute. This is filling. Whereas third one is an emptying one, so I'm keeping minus. So it is taking how much time we don't know, but keep that aside. Now fourth, if all 3 works, it is taking how much time? 50 minutes to fill. It means all 3 works, the net filling rate will be 30 by 50, 6 units per minute. Is it also clear? See here, if all 3 are working, all 3 means 50 minutes. They are taking 50 minutes to fill 300 liters. So per minute it will fill 6 300 by 5, which is nothing but 6 units per minute. Now listen carefully, observe carefully. Here, if 2 pipes, okay, filling pipes, at what rate they're filling? 5 and 4. Together they're filling how many units? 9 units. If you operate the emptying pipe, the net filling rate is 6. How will you get 6? 9 and some value is in emptying. How much it is emptying? Minus 3. Because this minus 3 are getting 9 minus 6. Okay, this is emptying at the rate of 3 units per minute. So at this rate, if emptying 3 units per minute, to empty 300 units, it will take how much time? 300 by 3. It means 100. In 100 minutes, it can empty the tank. It is not hours, it is minutes. So 100 minutes is an answer. Now, to fill a cistern, pipes A, B and C take 20 minutes, 50 minutes, 12 minutes respectively. The time in minutes that the three pipes together will take to fill the cistern is simple. All three are filling pipes, A, B and C. It can fill in how much time? 20, 15, 12. What is the first step? Take the LCM of 20, 15 and 12, which is nothing but 60. Assume the total capacity of the tank be 60 units. Okay. Now we have to find the rate. First pipe is filling taking how much time? 20 minutes. In 20 minutes, it is filling 60 liters. So per minute, it will fill how much? 60 by 20. This is per minute. The second one, 60 by 15. The third one, 60 by 12. Is the logic clear? So 60 by, this is the rate. Okay. First one is filling at this rate, 60 by 20, that equal to 3. The second one is filling 60 by 15, which is equal to 4. Fourth one is filling at the rate 60 by 12. It means 5. 60 by 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. 60 by 12 means 5. So if 3 pipes operate simultaneously, it can be filled in 5 minutes. So the logic is very simple. This is rate. First pipe can fill at the rate of 3 units, 60 by 20. The second one is filling at the rate of 60 by 15 because it's taking 15 minutes to fill 60 units. So per minute it will fill 60 by 15. The third pipe 60 by 12. Okay. See here, a cistern can be filled in 9 hours, but it takes 10 hours due to leak in its bottom. If the cistern is full, then the time that the leak will take to empty is simple. We don't know the capacity of the tank. Assume the capacity of the tank be 90 units. Why I am taking 90 units? LCM of 9 and 10. It means if it alone works, it can fill the tank in how many hours? 9 hours. So what is the net filling rate? The net filling rate for this is 10 unit per hour. This is nothing but 90 by 9, because in 9 hours it is filling 90 units. So per hour it will fill 90 by 9, which is 10 units. What happens if another pipe is there which is leaking? So it is emptying. We don't know at what rate it is emptying. Okay, but what happened here? It takes 10 hours to fill the empty tank if this is also opened. So in 10 hours is saying that. So per hour it is filling how much? 10 units. Filling pipe is filling at the rate of 10 units per hour. Emptying pipe, we don't know at what rate is emptying, but together it means it is taking how much time? 10 hours. In 10 hours it is filling 90 units. So per hour it will fill how many units per hour? 9 units per hour. Both the pipes operate simultaneously. It is taking 10 hours. In 10 hours it is filled. So in 10 hours the 90 units is filled. So in 1 hour how many units will be filled? 90 by 10, which is equals to 9 units per hour. Now the filling tank is filling at the rate of 10 units per hour. If both the pipes are operated, their net filling rate is 9 units per hour. So how much is reducing? 1. That 1 is by emptying pipe. So emptying pipe is emptying at the rate of 1 unit per hour. The emptying pipe is emptying at the rate of 1 unit per hour. If at this rate to empty this, how much time it will take? 90 hours. So 90 by minus 1 is nothing but 90 hours. If the emptying pipe alone works, it can empty the tank in 90 hours. So option 2 is an answer.